Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Today, me, Nick, Michaela and Rachel all heading to Queenstown. Me and Nick on the bikes, the girls in the car. Yeah, it's kind of Nick's surprise birthday week. So we're taking the whole week down to Queenstown. Should be an awesome ride. I've cut out the first part of the trip because it's all farmland and a bit boring. We're here in Geraldine now, about to head into the much nicer, more scenic part of the trip. But the weather isn't that great. So hopefully it'll improve, guys. But yeah, we've just filled up with gas in Geraldine and we're on our way. Let's get on the road. Hurry up, Nick. Oi, Nick. Hurry up. I think you heard me. If I'm muffled, guys, it's because I'm wearing my balaclava for once, because it's pretty cold still. We're just going to sync up our music and get on the road. Sync the music. Sync the music. Last time we came here, Nick missed this turn off, and so he was super prepared for it. In fact, over prepared for it. And he's come on the wrong road. Hopefully he'll come up over here. No, Nick? Nicholas? How? How? He's been passed again. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know how he did that, but that's amazing. Oh my god. He drove, I don't know if you guys can see that, he's quite far away, but he drove past this street again. So he came back. Alrighty guys, let's get on the road. Montage time. Whoop, whoop. What's up guys, new door, new day here, and here we are, yeah, in Queenstown, fully arrived, fully set into the place we're staying at, Airbnb, and yeah, we're gonna head out today and hopefully get up on the luge, and yeah, let's go check that out.